Hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. Yeah, I'm still outside making videos for you guys. Yeah. So in the last video, Teacher Shane taught you 4 new vocabulary words from the story, Hey, Pancakes. Yeah. So now guys, let's review the 4 vocabulary words together. Are you ready? Say ready! All right, here we go. The first word is, that's right, alarm clock. Let's say it 3 times. Alarm clock, alarm clock, alarm clock. Very good. Okay, the next word is, that's right, butter. Let's say it 3 times. Butter, butter, butter. Very good. The next word is, come on, you know it. That's right, middle. Let's say it 3 times. Middle, middle, middle. Very good. The final word is blueberry. Let's say it 3 times. Blueberry, blueberry, blueberry. Amazing, yeah, I know you guys can do it. So now, we are going to put those 4 vocabulary words into our sentence patterns. Yeah. Are you guys ready? Here we go. The first sentence pattern word is, yes, alarm clock. Here we go. What can an alarm clock do? An alarm clock can show us the time. Yes, an alarm clock can show you the time. And they make a sound. Ding-a-ling-ling-ling-ling-ling. And you have to do this to stop it. Yes. The next sentence pattern word is, that's right, butter. Here we go. Do you want to eat your bread with butter? Yes, I want to eat my bread with butter. Yeah, you can spread butter on your bread and on a bagel, and you can eat it. Tastes great, right? Yes, it is. Okay, the next sentence pattern word is, that's right, middle. Here we go. Where is the toy car? It is in the middle. Yeah. Middle means it is in the center. Yeah. If something is here and something else is here and there's something in the center, it's called the middle. Yes. The final sentence pattern word is, that's right, blueberry. Here we go. Do you want to eat blueberry pancakes? Yes, I want to eat blueberry pancakes. Yeah, I want to eat blueberry pancakes. Oh, I'm getting hungry as I think about it. Yeah. All right, everyone, great job. Yeah, we just learned our new sentence patterns. Yes. You guys did a great job. Do you want to know why you did a great job? Because you are smart. Yes, you are. You can share with your mommy and daddy what you have learned. Thank you guys so much for looking at my video. And I will see you guys again next time, okay? Bye-bye. I think I'm gonna go play. Yeah.